Good morning, guys. I just finally woke up properly. And yeah, the birthday is basically starting. They just went shopping and bought a bunch of stuff. Apparently, Kiki got paid. Mike and Kiki are putting their money together. And they're already starting to basically just throw the money away. I think they already spent basically half of what she got. Yeah, I better order that power, those components for the power system today, because otherwise it's not gonna happen. And I have a feeling that I'm not even gonna be able to buy everything I need for it. It's looking like. Let's see. One thing is for certain, that is the money that I made yesterday, the money I'm gonna make on bottles from now on. I'm not gonna share that. I'm gonna need to save that up because I think I'm the only one responsible and capable of saving up. So yeah, it just has to be done. But I'm gonna try and get the components from the electrical system ordered today. And just celebrate Lasse's birthday. That's Kiki's dad. He's a nice guy, man. He's been really good to all of us. Like, we've been eating him out of the house. That's why I've been working 8 hours a day. Because I knew the others wouldn't, and at least you should get something out of having a group of people living in his backyard, right? Gonna be barbecuing here later. Just need to clear this stuff up a little bit. Let me go in and see if I can start ordering. Okay, guys, I got everything ordered. 2,650 krona. That's basically everything for the electrical setup except for the solar panels, which are currently sold out. So we're just waiting with those. Oh, I just got honked at. That was Kiki's dad. He just came out to celebrate birthday. I'm going out to shop a few things and meet with a friend of me and Mike's. We gotta pay him some money back. He has been helping us so much. It's one of those friends who don't want to be on the videos, so you don't even know who it is. But yeah, just know he's been helping us out big time. So yeah, I'm gonna go and pay him back and just buy the last few things that we need to celebrate Kiki's dad's birthday. 41 years. He's 10 years older than me, and holy shit, this guy's got he's got everything in life. He's got a car and a house and 2 daughters, and actually he's got a bunch of kids. Lucky guy, huh? But I'm pretty lucky too. I'm pretty happy. In 2-3 weeks, I'm gonna start building this stuff. But now I'm gonna give it some pedal to the metal so I can get this done. This is what I love about the countryside. Google always takes you out on some weird fucking paths. It's probably not the most ideal path, but this is nice, man. I'm enjoying getting out here. When would I ever get out here? There's just no reason, right? I've made it to Hyng Station. I've never been here, man. This is a small ass station. Look at this. Kind of nostalgic though. These empty stations with not a lot of activity. I don't know. I like it here. Look at that, a group of young people. Wonder where they're going. I'm just in a good mood today, having ordered everything I needed for the electrical setup, man. I was starting to doubt whether or not it was gonna happen. Yeah, now we just need solar panels, and those aren't for sale yet, so nothing much we can do. I'm just glad that I actually got to finish all that, removing all the stuff in between the cracks of the tiles, outdoor tiles. I don't know what the English term is called. In Danish we just say udluning, or to udu, And yeah, I'm happy I got it done, because it means that today they're going to be able to celebrate birthday. They set up a grill and everything. It's going to be nice. It wouldn't have been half as nice with me not having done that. Of course, we haven't done everything. We still need to help him with sorting the stuff in the container and the garage, but Mike didn't help me out yesterday, and honestly, he didn't really help me out that much the first day either. He just dug up some rocks and dug a bit of a hole, and I did the rest basically. Check it out, here we go. Hyng Station, train station. That's where I am. Meeting up with a friend in a second. Giving him the money Mike owes him. Yeah, we're gonna be completely broke this month. I don't think there's gonna be any money for the food budget this month. We'll figure it out. Most important thing is we're moving along when it comes to getting the equipment for living nomadically. The rest we can figure out on the way. We'll just have to collect some bottles or something. Wow, check out this old house with a barnyard door. I really like that. Kind of decrepit, but in a good way. We got that old smith over there with some new stuff built on top of it. The future is moving in. I'm just looking for a supermarket. I shopped everything I needed. Just mostly tobacco, like for me, and cigarettes for the others, and just a few things for the food and for baking and stuff. Yeah, it's gonna be a nice birthday. I think they're gonna be started by the time I get back. We've just all been preparing all day, you know, and me not so much. Basically, I woke up so late and exhausted. I just woke up, you know, drank some energy drink, ate some chocolate, and yeah, I didn't really do that much. I gotta admit, like, I am exhausted from like 8 hours of work the day before yesterday and yesterday as well. So I think I've done my part, you know. It is my fault after all that it's gonna be so nice outdoors. I even helped out with the fire pit, correcting it in shape. But yeah, get back home, roll up a cigarette, a proper cigarette, and yeah, just enjoy the birthday. You don't turn 41 every day, huh? Oh, also bad news. You guys remember that orange cat from Nyborg station that I used to go up and pet, especially at night when I was collecting bottles? Apparently he just died last night. Yeah, rest in peace. I don't even remember his name. But anytime I saw him there, I always petted him and said hi. Honestly, man, I'm getting to the point in life where it almost feels like animal deaths are more hard to deal with than human deaths. Maybe that's a good point, reaching that point, maybe not. Maybe it goes to show just how isolated I've become from humans. But yeah, rest in peace, kitten or kitty. I'm sure thousands of people greeted him over the years with him living in the train station like that. Oh yeah, and ironically, he was hit by the fucking train too. There you have it. And I'm getting to see some more of Denmark I haven't seen before. Like when I was bicycling here, I was going through something called Gerslev. And yeah, it's a place I always heard about, but I don't think I've been there. Maybe as a small kid, to the point where I don't retain any memory. But yeah, oh yeah, and I passed by 3 churches on the way here. I'll try and show them on the way home. I was in a bit of a rush. I had to meet up with that friend to hand over the money. But yeah, now that I got a bit more time, I'll try and show you the churches I spotted. White churches. I like them. I mean, not that I don't like the brown or the orange ones, whatever you want to call them. I don't know, man. There's just something deeply nostalgic to me about Danish church design now. I want to get inside of the churches, take a stroll, listen to the acoustics, be imbued with tranquility, right? Okay, now this is kind of out of the ordinary to have hyben just growing here. There's no source of sand or any salt water close by, but we still have hyben growing here. Once again, I don't remember what the hell they're called in English. But they make for good marmalade. Look at this magnificent church. Wow. I even like the little parking lot out front. I wonder if it's so old because of these stones that horse carriages used to be here. I don't imagine they would have needed this much space for horse carriages. Those weren't really widespread. What a beautiful church. What a shame they put a sign for toilets on the building. Ah, that's a damn shame. Don't sully the church. Wow. Sorry, I'm not gonna film any tombstones. It's not my MO. Just wanted to show you guys. Look at all these different shaped and sized windows. Were they experimenting to see what would work best? Seems like some experimentation has been going on here. It doesn't seem proper. I mean, it's pretty. Now looky here. Wow. Magnificent. Is it open? Nope. House of God is locked. I want to speak to my God. No. I don't think I'm allowed. Oh well. Back out we go. I mean, I could film some more, but there's too many tombstones and it's disrespectful. So let me just leave again. Ah, look at that. That's funny looking right there. I like these old designs, you know? Like some issue came up, someone didn't do the math properly. I don't know, man, it's charming to me. Just look at the wall as well. The little house over there. I think someone might have lived in there in the past. Now it's probably used for tools and stuff to maintain the property. Just look at this beautiful place. Wow. This is the church in Gerslev. Oh yeah, I have to go down here. I'm not gonna go inside and check it out. I assume it's just gonna be locked like the other churches. Back when I was a kid, churches would be open up until like, yeah, pretty late. But I could also see that the other church had some kind of alarm for burglary. I guess they're dealing with that shit now. So yeah, maybe churches are changing too, huh? Wow, this hilly road right here, I don't know why, it just reminded me, I just had a flashback to something called Svebølle, also here in Western Zealand, where it was whenever I went to my grandma and granddad, and my granddad was driving, he would always ask, do you want the fun way over to our house, or do you want the quick way? And I would always pick the fun way, and there would be a road that would kind of like, well, it would be a little more hilly than here, but it would go up and down, and yeah, I was just reminded of that. I haven't been there in forever. Check it out, another church. This one is beautiful too. I like the metal stuff that it's got hanging on there. I don't know what they're called, but it looks good. I'm cleaning the grill so we can eat. I keep telling Lasse, hey dude, you gotta relax, man. It's your birthday, okay? So get the rest of us to work, you know? Tell us what to do, I'll do it. Because this guy, he deserves relaxing on his birthday. Hooray! Or hurrah in Danish. Birthday vibes. Always Danish flags whenever someone's got a birthday. I don't know why. I know it's a weird birthday present, but this is basically everything I had that I could give him. And I don't need it myself. We already have one and we bought the power system now. So yeah, I gave him this. I hope you'll appreciate it. It's got a breaker, right? Wow. Det skal jeg lige have et klip af. Ja. Hvorfor? Og sådan er det. Smager det godt, Jason? Mhm.
Har du altid set den før?
Jo, den så jeg, da jeg var barn.
Var barn?
Ja.
Ja, nu har du set den igen.
Den internationale rumfartsorganisation. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
Dit kontor var blevet helt vildt flot, du.
Det glæder mig at høre.
Ja, nu skal vi bare få noget arbejdstøj til ham, der matcher.
Me and Jason are watching cartoons together while the adults are partying. I'm not much of a party goer myself, so I actually enjoy watching the cartoons, yeah. They keep coming up to me asking me if I'm okay, and I'm like, yeah, I can't handle the loud music. I have to stay on the outskirts, you know? I'm just a chill guy.